Right, so here we have the new shed. It's 100% finished, this shed is. And here we go. Okay, not 100%, but it does open. It does open. Big plastic shed. Mostly on my own. This bit here, the whole beam that is going from this end to this end is what, 11 foot, and that I put up there precariously, then had the ladder set up there and then went up the ladder and put it on there. That was probably one of the trickiest things. The roof's a bit tricky, but yeah, it's alright. I did it mostly on my own. I had a little bit of help, but like, you could maybe do it on your own. It just take a bit longer. Literally just need a second person to keep passing you the bits, basically, as so you can put it in. Or when you're putting in these screws up here, like, you probably need someone on the other side to push down on the roof. So that's what I had here. I had someone on the other side of the roof pushing down so I can put these screws in, because if you put the screws in, it pushes it up. But yeah, there's very few instances where you actually need two people. So you could do it alone if you're confident with that, but yeah, I definitely recommend two people for this. Though it is possible with one. So it's okay. I'm gonna put some sort of light maybe attached to that. That's quite solid, that is. This is metal, it's got some metal framework, but it is plastic. This is very secure as well, you know, anyone with a Stanley knife could just, you know, cut that open and walk right in, so. Just finishing off the floor bits now, and that's it. Then I get to put stuff in here. But you can see it's quite a big bit of space. Yeah, this is the shed now. So the back half is where I'm gonna, front half is for your garden rubbish, you know, got some sugar soap and ant spray, you know, take which drink you'd like, you know, nice bit of fine lead based paint. And yeah, so this is the side that I've just been sorting out these boxes and stuff, but I've just dumped my camping stuff in here because I've just come back from a little trip, so I'll probably work on a video like that, about that. But yeah, I've got some bits in the corner there, some parts and stuff like that is on the way. I've got tools at the bottom there, until I get maybe a tool chest, maybe on this side I might get a tool chest. But yeah, this is the bike I'm going to start working on, and we'll see if I can get it running or not. It's missing a petrol tank, which is the biggest issue with this bike right now. I have to try and figure out what to do there. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice little place to tinker around on the bikes, but do need to put some sort of light up here if I'm going to work in here after hours. It's alright in the summer months, but once it gets winter time, no, it won't be. So yeah, I need to go through all these boxes and stuff. I've got just random odds and sods in these things, just random bolts and screws and inner tubes and all sorts of things, ratchet straps, and yeah, just need to sort of this rubbish and make it a bit more tidier. So yeah, I'll just show you one thing though. This has been quite expensive actually. This is new stock. So the original badges had, after 50 plus, you know, 50, what is it, 54 years? This bike is 55 years, look like that. So got some nice new ones. Quite dear these were, quite dear. I won't be doing that again. Original genuine part as well. So yeah. Yeah. Look forward to hopefully see some builds or some progress of this coming up at some point. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.